Okay, today I'm going showing to how to export Wi-Fi wireless network profiles with 5 in Windows 7 and import them to Windows 11. In Windows 7 we can view safe password in the network, but in Windows 10 and 11 there is not such easy option. The net command in Windows comes to our aid. It works great for Windows 7, but unfortunately the import will not work in Windows 10 and 11. We need to use a script in PowerShell. I'm showing how to do this. The first, if you want to export Wi-Fi network profiles, uh, I'm going to show you where is it. So now in Windows 7, and this is my computer network with profiles. When we receive the management to central network and enter network, and we choose that where is our profiles network. So when we choose this one and we hit opportunity and we have security, we will see security options, and we can see show me a password. So this is the example password our network. So we can use this command copy to profile in the disk flash, but you remember when you have a very lot profile, as you can see, we don't have to do this manually. We want to use a very special option. The first time, the options, we run CMD. We must run an administrations. As you can see, we have a netsh, and we call it help. And this is that help to add profiles to network, to wlan, and something like this. So we will use this command, but before we must create that we must remember and what we must do. So the first, we must open new text by, or maybe folder, okay? Wi-Fi, okay, Wi-Fi, and we create new text document and we call export Wi-Fi. In the next, we choose we open it. As you can see, we have a file, and then we must do this line code. So echo off, and we hit save, close. We go back to our folder and we choose the right button mouse and call change your name, and we change extension file to BAT or CMD. We BAT it, and when they show this dialog box, we change the yes, hit yes. So now we open it again. As you can change our icon to BAT file. So now we open it. As you can see, what does mean? The first line, this means the command and the script not display on the screen. For the second, they try to make a directory where our profile will be. And this is the command to our command line. And what they do, the command line export our old profile, and this is that mean this is the mean that this is the mean that your clear password will we see, and to choose the folder. If don't exist, we create, and then we put that or provide the key. So how we do this, and then when you hit here, so I am here our my system, so I am here, so must to go to C users administrations. You will see the you change your. I'm going to my file, so desktop and Wi-Fi. So when you see our file and we going to our C, I'm choose the Wi-Fi, I'm delete, and you can show how to do this. Remember, you must CMD, hit right button, run like administration. As you can see, we're going to our directory, okay, and we will see our file. So now we run our file. As you can see, something happened, and going to our C drive, C disk. Remember, this is not here now. Refresh, and now you see that the folder Wi-Fi. As you can see, we have all profiles. So now we see that our example, edit, and I'm showing how to exist. So this is our file. This is our name, hello, and this is our password. Yes, you can show the password. So this is the export. What we can do, how to import to our file to in Windows 7, not yet Windows 11, but Windows 7. We must do this again. The show, new, and text. Import Wi-Fi. So we use it, open it, this file, and we put this line here, just it. So this code is a Windows batch script that is used to import wireless profile in Windows. So this line means that the command in script will not be displayed on the screen. For the next line, it's meaning that it's the loop that starts with the command dir XML, which lists the full path of all files with XML extension in the CW Wi-Fi folder and subfolder. And netsh wlan add profile file name, and this option, which it uses the command to add wireless profile from the file listed in previous command. So pause, its main command is used to pause the execution of the script and waits for the user to press any key before continue. In summary, this script will import or wireframe profile in the form XML file located in this folder and so forth, using the netsh command, and will be waiting user to press key for be continue. And remember, you can change this your own patch location. So we save like this. Okay, maybe this. Okay, we close, and now we change this file to new extension BAT, and we ask again. So the next we change yes, and now we can use it again to our script, so we can see that cmd and open it like administration, cd like before, users and administrations to desktop to Wi-Fi there, and this is our file. Yes, this is our file. And then when we executable this file import with byte, we will see that our is profile in here with all, but we must do different when we want to import this profile in Windows 10 or Windows 11. We cannot use this script additions. We cannot use it. We must change this section to we construct new file like ps1 to PowerShell script to use it. Okay, so we will back soon, and I must to change to my laptop to where am I have Windows 11. So now we put that all file or this to my pen drive and open it this file, open it this folder and new laptop. Where is that Windows 11?
Okay, how to import now this profiles in Windows 11. This is my new Windows 11. As you can see, we have no connection yet, so we just open it, Wi-Fi, and we see Wi-Fi and see our management, our profiles. So we hit here and we can see we only two Wi-Fi profiles. So how we can do this? Let's we know we export our Wi-Fi to C folder. So I copy this files everywhere. As you can see, I have many profiles. So now we can do this import, not with that our command, this netsh, right? So we cannot do this before this command line because it's very horrible to management our Wi-Fi. So Windows 10 and 11 does include CMD for managing network profiles for LAN connection, but Wi-Fi profiles cannot effectively be edited with the set network connection profile. Instead, the networks comprise command line to net server this proposed, so similar to management of NTFS permissions. Community model provides a remedy here, namely Wi-Fi Profile Management by Microsoft employee Jason Walker. So its cover all functions including display and changing profile exist. So what we can do? We use it the PowerShell. So we type PowerShell, hit right mouse click button, and we open it, hit like administration. We hit OK, and as you can see, we have now our PowerShell command. So what we do next? We must to install Wi-Fi model like this and hit enter. Okay, we will check. Okay, we will say they have already, but if the first time you can do this, we'll see that installations when we going to do this, we see that prompt what we hit enter. So this is the screenshot when we the first time install model. So untrusted repository, we hit yes, and as you can see, we have a command get command model profile management. As you can see, we will see what the function is exist in this repository. So the first time we install management, but we also must see our restrictions to execute our file to import Wi-Fi PS. So how we do this? We change our execution policy. So we type the executions and we can see we have restriction, but we also see the list. As you can see, with machine policy, user policy process, we define process, right? So how we do this, our script now. So our script, it will be like this. Okay, this is our script PS. So how we can do this? We have again, we can make this in our new file, text file, like something like this, and import Wi-Fi PS. Okay, PS. Hit enter, and we also change our repository or our file. So I suggest you can do this save in Notepad, something like this. I like so Notepad, so it's easy because you can click save as PS1 that PS1. This is our script to PowerShell command. So what the script do? What the script do? It mean the first line assign current execution policy to variable name execution policy. And the next line change the execution policy to unrestricted. You see, to our current process. It's here. So the next, we import the Wifi Profilemanagement model, as you can see. Now assign the path of the folder that contains to export profiles to a variable name folder path. So we see this mean we have see this folder. Okay, well we before that uh, uh, put that our profiles, and the next line uh, assign all files here with the XML extensions in the folder specified by folder path a variable profile files. Okay, get all the profile files, and now starts the loop, the iterative through each file in the profile variable in here. Okay, and the next file profile get content, assign the content of the current file in the loop to a variable named profile. The next line we use the functions to use this content of current file in the loop to create a new wireless profile. And the finish line in here, we change the execution policy back to the value store execution policy variable, right? So before that, okay? So what do we do next? So as you can see, we don't have any file here, right? So well, it's time to execute. So we know we have the right administrations, right? So we going to our disk. Sorry. Okay, so there or less even now. As you can see, we have import file Wi-Fi. So how to execute it in PowerShell dot slash. Okay, sorry, dot slash and import and hit enter. Okay, so because running script is disabled, this is for races. Okay. Okay, so how we do this? We must change our say. Okay, so we will see. Okay, so okay, see it. Okay, so we must to change the line. As you can see, we have hit force now. So because we before that we have a error, so now we here and dot slash and import file. So information unity security. Okay, so if we do this before, so I try to set this line and hit OK, say enter, say yes, and now import Wi-Fi will be correctly to do this. As you can see, what happened here, I don't know, maybe but we will see what happened here. So now we hit our file to show you. As you can see, we have hello world to import. Okay, so all the file import to profile in our seeded. Okay, what we do next? We can see that our get execution policy unrestricted. As you can see, to restricted, we can do this before because we can change to our hit policy, right? So unrestricted scope process. So restricted, unrestricted. So how to export now this our profile in Windows 11. See the same but differently. As you can see, we have export Wi-Fi, and what we do have here is the same import module, but we create the directory. It doesn't exist, so our directory will be C Wi-Fi X profile, get all the profiles, and export each profile who find here from here to our XM and out file to save it to encoding UTF. So and the same process here. So how we change here this profile? So as you can see, we have only Wi-Fi. So okay, so we have hit enter now. Wait a minute. Administrations, and we hit ./export Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it's create the folder. And when the finish, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi X, and we see the XML file. And when we hit open it, we will see that many files here. So this is our how to import export to file. As you can see, we have a very cheap method to do this in Windows. Thank you. I hope so. That will be great when you subscribe my profile and channel, and if you like it, up to you, give me a like and hand. So see you next time.